Outdoor dining tables are an essential piece of furniture for those who love to entertain guests or enjoy alfresco dining. There are many products available to choose outdoor dining tables, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best outdoor dining tables from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Choice Products 6-Person Indoor-Outdoor Acacia Wood Dining Table. This indoor-outdoor dining table from Best Choice Products is made of weather-resistant acacia wood with an attractive, natural finish. Its thick, slightly slanted metal legs complete its rustic design, adding an extra touch of style to your lawn, patio, or your home's dining room. The table seats up to 6 individuals, making it ideal for family dinners or small gatherings with friends. Its stylish design with clean, straight lines complements any living space, even indoor areas. The table is built strong to hold up to 350 pounds, making it the perfect surface for everything from dinner to DIY building projects and more. Number 2. Solora Outdoor Dining Table 60-inch by 38-inch Patio Metal Steel Slat Table. Solora Patio Slat Table is a modern bistro table that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people. It features a 1.57-inch umbrella hole, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor dining experience without being exposed to the harsh sun. This multi-purpose table is designed with an elegant and sleek look, making it suitable for both outdoor gardens and indoor leisure time. The all-weather iron slat tabletop is not only stylish, but also easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting durability. The metal frame of this table is of high quality, with powder coating rust resistance and weather-resistant properties, making it suitable for outdoor use. Assembly is a breeze, requiring only one person and taking around 15 to 30 minutes. With Solora Patio Slat Table, you can create a comfortable and stylish dining space for your family and friends. Number 3. MFstudio 60-inch Square Metal Outdoor Dining Table. Introducing the MFstudio Square Metal Outdoor Dining Table, the perfect addition to your outdoor space. This 60-inch square table is large enough to accommodate 8 people, making it ideal for family dinners or gatherings with friends. The sturdy and durable black steel frame is designed to withstand rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use. The adjustable umbrella hole allows you to easily install a patio umbrella, providing shade on sunny days. With easy assembly and a weight capacity of 200 pounds, this table is both practical and stylish. Enjoy quality time with loved ones in your backyard, deck, lawn, or garden with MFstudio Square Metal Outdoor Dining Table. Number 4. Locats Home 42.1-inch Outdoor Patio Round Dining Table. Enjoy dining outdoors with the Locats Home Patio Dining Table. Constructed with durable wrought iron, this table is designed to remain stable and rust-resistant for long-lasting use. The rear leg design ensures the table remains steady, while the umbrella hole in the center accommodates most patio umbrellas for added shade during hot and cold weather. Its modern crossweave style adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor space, providing a classic, long-lasting furniture piece that is both stylish and functional. Measuring 542.1 x 28.3 inch, this dining table is easy to assemble and comes with product assembly instructions that can be completed in 15 to 30 minutes. Contact us freely if there are any quality or delivery issues, as we strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. Number 5. MFstudio 42-inch Big Outdoor Dining Table. Introducing the MFstudio Outdoor Table, a stylish and durable addition to your backyard, lawn, or garden. This 42-inch round table features a heavy-duty black steel frame with e-coating, making it resistant to rust and corrosion. With its easy 30-minute assembly, you can quickly set up this table and start enjoying outdoor gatherings. The modern steel slat surface design not only adds elegance, but also ensures the table's sturdiness. Plus, it comes with a handy hole for an umbrella, providing shade on sunny days. The adjustable non-slip foot caps guarantee stability, even on uneven floors. With a 1-year manufacturer warranty, you can have peace of mind. Upgrade your outdoor space with the Studio Outdoor Table.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.